Okay, so I've given the outside a good wipe down with some simple green. As you can see, it did work very well. This is just simple green in a rinse right now. And I got 20 years of moss off the truck. I still have to do the hood and the roof. That's kind of baked down. And I'm going to do the interior another day because I found a few mouse nests in there. So, going to be a little more detailed. And I still have to clean out the bed as well. But give it a quick start here. It is cold-blooded. Got a bit of a loose belt. And you got to keep your foot on the gas for a minute or two before it'll idle. Needs a good tune-up. There it is. So yeah, she's a work in progress. And we're just getting started. So follow the channel and we'll keep updates. Make sure to like, follow, and subscribe.